What's up, guys? I thought it'd be funny, considering that Brandon is staying the night. I'm gonna dump this slime on him.
Come on, dude. Stop. That's gonna get all over the fucking. Oh. See what you made me do? Come on, dude.
Oh, it's all over. It's all over.
No, seriously, dude, stop.
Stop,
Brian. Come on, dude. I gotta fucking sleep in that. Come on, dude. Not just fucking going way too far.
Way too far.
Come on. You look what you did.
Sorry.
Come on, man. Fuck.
Right here, on the plate, you got some of my spicy hummus, Lebanese rice with vermicelli in it, and chicken, and my garlic sauce.
Oh, that's seriously not even fucking funny.
It kinda is. Dude, it's funny. When you prank me, I'm not gonna be mad.
You better not be, man. As you see, he plays way too much. I play even harder. I got a lot of pranks off my sleeve. He's done. He's. All I gotta say, you better not get mad at whatever I have planned on for you.
I'm not.
Yep. We'll see.
If you guys enjoyed, please smash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Also, since Brandon was such a good sport about it, and he's not that mad, but he said he's gonna give me back, but I really
He's an angry midget.
see you guys next time.
Don't.